This is a review of the smartwatch that is made for men, and it is a Bluetooth called military smartwatch, and it is waterproof, a fitness tracker that comes with the heart rate and blood oxygen, and also you can also count your steps of how much you walk. And we're gonna pretty much unbox this, show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there we're also going to pretty much set this thing up and show you guys whether or not if this smartwatch is worth it. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is all the stuff that it comes with. You can see here, this is the wristwatch that is adjustable, and it also comes with a screw where you can pretty much adjust it to however your wrist is. So you can also adjust it. So that's one cool thing. If you have a bigger wrist, then you could pretty much adjust it. So that's something cool. Right over here, we get a USB charger. That charger is used to pretty much charge up your smartwatch, and it comes with that supplied, as you can see here. This right here is pretty much the smartwatch itself here, that we're going to take all this out and then set this thing up. And from there, we're going to show you guys how this thing operates. Okay, so we have everything set it up, and you pretty much, there was a code you had to pretty much put in and then set it up to your iPhone. And right there, it pretty much it navigated and everything worked out, and now it's all ready, it's everything set it up. Now we're pretty much going to turn this on, and you can see here everything's set up. It tells what the time is, it tells the month of the day to July 18, it tells the time, it shows pretty much everything. So when I click this button right over here, then you can see, if the camera picks up the quality, you can see that we have it tells the time from here. Then it'll tell you you could connect your phone to it. Pretty much, it's a clock as well too. So when I go to the clock, you could change the interface as well too. From there, we have other modes too, like you could pretty much, it's the weather app too, so you could check the weather of how the weather is like for today, the forecast. It tells you like 30, everything. It tells you when it's gonna rain or the amount of temperature it is. From there, then when we click on this thing, then it shows like a lot of other features. So if you're like a exercise person that likes to work out, fitness enthusiast, then you can also monitor and record the amount of steps that you do. So if you're walking, you could choose walking. If you're running, you do running. If you're doing pretty much jogging, you could choose up to jogging as well too. It tells you your total steps, the amount of calories you burn. Not just that, the best thing I like about this smartwatch in particular is that it also monitors your heart rate. So it tells you that. It tells pretty much everything that you need for any fitness enthusiast that is wanting to exercise and work out and track their record of how much calories they're burning. And it tells like pretty much, like it includes like pretty much every single thing. The clock, you can connect your phone as well too. So pretty much if you're on the phone with someone, you can also connect your smartwatch to this, which is pretty cool. That's also a huge plus on that. Then from there, we also get other features, just like I mentioned to you guys. You could also monitor your heart rate, so where, depending on which BPM, you can monitor that and also connect your iPhone and whatever phone you're using that's connected to it. And from there, you can also pretty much track your heart rate on how it is throughout the entire day. So that's another cool thing that's for if you care about your health-wise. Like you can see, if I'm holding it, it tells you like 91, but if I pretty much have to wear on my wrist, is saying that to wear the watch properly on your wrist. So that's that's one thing you have to do. So make sure you wear it on your wrist, and then it'll monitor your heart rate. And then from there, we also get you can also, not just that, but also get text messages. So if you have you can also connect your phone to it and message people if you like. It has a lot of features, and overall I love the quality, and in particular, if you look at the design of it, I love the aluminum quality as on the edges. The black looks really nice, and overall, if you're looking for a smartwatch, then this smartwatch in particular includes pretty much everything that you need for it when it comes to fitness wise, when it comes to looking at the date, the time, pretty much the weather forecast. This thing has everything, and I overall would highly recommend this smartwatch because of how it has everything that you need for a smartwatch. And I just overall love the layout, design, and how it's built and made, and the adjustable strap. It includes the screen protector as well too, so you can have the screen protector on if you would like as well too. But yeah, overall I would definitely recommend the smartwatch if you're looking for a smartwatch that you're wanting to do fitness or exercise and you're wanting to keep track on that. Then this is probably one of the best smartwatches to get. Or overall, if you're looking for a smartwatch that you're pretty much wanting to wear every single day and that looks nice and it really looks it offers the weather, the time, dates, then this is probably one of the best smartwatches you can get, and I would definitely recommend this product to everyone.